Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today topic is graph from the chapter motion in a straight line and from the chapter physics. So let's start. So this is the class of the chapter motion in a straight line. Okay. So graph is the last topic. So let me explain various types of graph. Okay, important. So number one graph is distance or position time graph. Okay, position time graph, it is also known as ST graph. Okay, so it may be distance or displacement भी लिख सकते हैं. It may be distance or displacement. Okay, so what are the various types of ST graph is there? Suppose this one is time and this one is S. Okay, this one is second and this one is meter. So this graph will be this graph will be uniform motion, and this graph will be, this is what we will call non-uniform motion. Okay, non-uniform motion, we can say speed, or we can say velocity also. Okay, speed or velocity also, right? Fine. B, suppose this one is second and this one is in meter. Suppose one graph is like that. Okay, this one is A and this one is B. So we can say the object is rest, because with respect to time the displacement is 0. The object displacement is 0. So we can say the object is in rest. Okay, so another graph, suppose this one is S, this one is time second, this one. Okay, there is A, there is B, and this angle is theta. So from that we can find velocity if it is in displacement time graph, and speed if it is distance time graph. Okay, it will be AB by OB. Okay, so this part is the distance and this part is the time. So this distance by time is speed or velocity. Now if this angle is theta, then slope is what? Slope m equal to tan theta, right? M equal to tan theta equal to AB by OB. So we can write velocity or speed equal to tan theta or equal to AB by OB. So velocity we can find by tan theta also, by using tan theta also. Okay, these are the three curves of. So now we will study velocity, different types of velocity graphs. What are the different important types of velocity graphs are there? Number one, suppose this one is velocity in meter and this one is time in second. So this one is one graph and this one is another graph. There is A and it is B. So first one will be uniform acceleration, and second one will be non-uniform acceleration. Okay, now B, suppose one graph is meter per second, it will be meter per second, one graph is like that, this one and from this one. Okay, so this graph, suppose this is one AB and this one is CD. Okay, so this graph will be non-uniform retardation, and you also know that one, this will be uniform retardation. Okay, I hope all of you understood this part. Now if an object, this one is meter per second, this is 0, this one is time second. If an object starts from this one, from that person, if a object start from this point to this point, okay, so this will be its initial velocity and this will be its, suppose it's c, and this will be its final velocity. It will be final velocity and it will be its initial velocity. Initial velocity, fine. Okay, so this part is the initial velocity and this part will be the final velocity. Okay, now so, and if I consider the from that figure, we can find the acceleration here. What acceleration will be change in velocity, that is, suppose this one is graph, this one is initial, this one is d. Change in velocity means this velocity will be bc minus dc by oc. Okay, the acceleration we can find in this also, bc minus dc by oc. That is change in velocity. This one is final velocity and this one is initial velocity. So final velocity minus initial velocity by time is acceleration. Okay, now another graph. If the graph is like that, this is b meter per second and this one is time second. If a graph is like that, this 0 b and suppose this one is c. So from that, how can I find distance and displacement? If it is velocity time graph, we can find this figure, we can find from this figure displacement, and if it is speed time graph, we can find from this figure distance. Okay, so I write here distance or displacement will be area under the graph, area under the graph, right? That is area of triangle OAB, that is half into base into height. Okay, so distance or displacement we can find from the velocity time graph in this way. Okay, this much clear? Fine. This another topic. Suppose this one is velocity meter per second and this one is time second. Now one graph is from this one 0 to a, and I draw a mark here, this one is b. So from that graph we can find acceleration is what? Acceleration is what, sir? Suppose this angle is theta, acceleration is velocity by time. Here initial velocity is what? Initial velocity is 0. So this will be OP. This one is also acceleration. Again acceleration equal to slope equal to tan theta. Okay, so acceleration we can find from this figure from tan theta also. If this angle is known, then take the tangent of the angle and you will able to find the acceleration of the body. Okay, so these are the 5 different graphs of velocity and or speed time graph or BT graph. Okay, understood this one? Take a screenshot from that. Now we will study the acceleration time graph. This is the last graph. Okay, so this one is only one graph is there. Suppose this one represents the acceleration meter per second square in this way, and this way represents the time, that is in second. So suppose there is one graph here. Okay, I take its triangle form. Okay, this one is OAB and this part is suppose C. So from the acceleration time graph, what we can calculate? We can calculate the velocity is what? Okay, so velocity equal to area under the graph. Now area is what? Area of triangle. Here will be area of triangle OAB, that is half into base into height is AC. Okay, so velocity will be this one. So from acceleration time graph we can find velocity easily by area under the graph, and from velocity time graph we can find displacement, or for speed time graph we can find in that way the distance is what. Okay, so these are the various types of graphs uses in different exams or different question. I hope this is helpful for you. So study by heart. Now we will do the numericals schemes from that graph related topics in various competitive exceptions. Okay, so thank you for watching.